Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Merchant Center. So let's get started. So here we are in the Google Merchant Center website. So if you want to go here, you're going to go in Google search, of course, Google Merchant Center. And you would have it in the first result right here. It says Merchant Center, and you want to go there so that you can go to this website and you can sign up or sign in if you already have an account. But in this case, let's just go for sign up, and it's for free. You don't have to worry about anything. Let's just wait for it to load, and it will ask us this: and do you sell products online? Let's say yes. And if you have a brick and mortar store, so if you don't know what this is, we can go and check this out right there. And this is the definition. It is a retail location where business owners showcase their products using a physical storefront. So if you have that, then you can go and yes right here. But for me, I'll just go no. And for my website, I'll just use a false website right here, because this is just a tutorial right there, the store.com, just like that. And we're gonna go and continue. But in your case, you should be putting your real website, okay? And for that, it will say that show your products on Google for free. So if you don't understand this, it's basically, it would appear here. For example, if I type a product right here, maybe a sleeping bag right there, and as you can see, here, as you can see, it appears right here, all the products. And this is what Google is talking about when it says show your products on Google for free. Or maybe you'll want to go for earphones and PH in Philippines, just like that, and it would show right here. Maybe in right here, you could show it right here. Or sometimes when you search for things, it would show right here. So that's basically it on what Google means about this one. So next is where your products will show. Of course, it's in Google, as I have mentioned earlier. And what you need, your own online store, and this is only for products, not services. So if you are selling a service, then Google Merchant Center is not for you. So let's go into continue, so we can proceed. The business name, of course, let's just go for a fake business name, but in your case, put your true business name because you'd want to use it. But for this one, I'm just using it for the tutorial, so I don't really mind. And we want to continue to Merchant Center right there. Let's continue, and it's gonna load right here and continue again right there. Let's wait for it. And as you can see, show your products on Google for free. Here we are again, but we're gonna first go here. We want to go here and check this all up. So we want to put all the address right here. So your address, of course, it depends on you, just like that. Here in city, state, province, and of course your postal code right there. You want to fill this all up. You make sure that you are providing the correct details. And for me, I don't want to provide mine because this is just a tutorial. And of course, your phone number, you want to type it right there. And after you have done that, you want to verify it first, because as you can see, it's unverified. So you would need to verify it so that you could avail all the features that Google Merchant Center can offer. And next is verify and claim website. Here, of course, this is the website that we have input earlier when we were in the registering our store. And here we have the verify your website. So you would need to add an HTML tag, or you could just upload an HTML file. So what you can do is click the link. So here you want to click this so that you can download. As you can see, it appears here, and you want to go into your website and you want to upload this and click the link to confirm the upload, just like this one. You want to click this so that you can now be verified. But in my case, site can't be reached because obviously the website that I have input here is fake. But make sure that you have input the right website address here for your website. And after that, you will receive a confirmation email from Google Search Console and be able to continue to the next step, which is claim your website. and here you have the verify website here option. You want to click on that after you have done all of this. And as you can see, we weren't able because it is fake. And now let's move on into setup shipping right here. And you can put in the shipping service name of your store, of course, and the delivery times right here, and the shipping cost. You will also be filling that up. So here in the shipping service name, you're gonna provide the name and a country, of course, and the currency that you want right here, and the delivery location at the customer's address, of course, where can customers receive their orders with the service. And you want to go into next, and of course the delivery times right here. You can set it all up right here, but I'm just gonna go right there and fill this all up right there. 30, or maybe just 4 right there, so that we can proceed right there. And next, and the shipping cost, of course, you decide if you go for free shipping over a certain amount, or free shipping, or just range based, or flat rate. Depends on you, on what you need, or what is appropriate to your situation. And now, of course, to the most important one, you can let's go back. You want to click on save first before going to the next step. So let's go now to the next step, which is adding products. And in here, let's just wait for it to load. And here we have add one product at a time. If you only have one product or a few products, then you can do this. So this will be what you will need to fill up when you add a product. So it really depends on you right here. As you can see, you need to verify it again because we haven't verified it last time. In a target country, language, and of course product identifiers. These are the forms or blanks that you need to fill up. And after that, let's go back. So let me show you the bulk one, the add multiple products at once. And this is what you would need to comply. Just wait for it to load. And here you want to continue right there, and target country, of course. So let's just say for Algeria, just for this example, and language, of course. And then of course your name and input method, your primary feed name, Google Sheets, just like that. And you want to upload or content API. It depends on you on how you set up your feed and connect your data to Merchant Center. So once you have done that, you want to go into setup, and you have the option to register a Google spreadsheet. May it be generate a Google spreadsheet from a template, or select an existing Google spreadsheet. So once you have done that, you want to create a feed right there, and this is going to pop up, and you want to sign in the Google accounts right there. You want to allow it, and after that, you're all good. And then now you're going to go into save it first, just like that. Let's go again, save, continue, back to editing. I'm going to create feed right there, and you want to save it. After that, you go, but let's just go continue without saving. Right here in the refund and return policy on your website, the view Google policies. So you might want to study this a bit. So I'm just gonna go next. And products you can and can show on Google. So not all product types will perform well on Google. So can show and can show some physical products. So ticket sales, vehicles, finance products, open loop gift cards, services, currency, and recurring bills. So that is what is not really appropriate here in Google Merchant Center, where you will sell your stuff in Google. And of course, here you can view the full Google policies right here. If you click this is what will appear right here. If you want to study this, or you want to take a quick skim so that you could have an idea on what is allowed here in Google, and you want to start the final review. Once you're done with all of this here in the final review, you can go now here and complete all the steps first. After that, we'll start the review process. So once all these are checked, you have verified your account and so on, your website, your phone number, then you can now go to overview, and you just have to wait for your Google Merchant Center to verify your account. But for now, let's go here, and in the overview, this is where you can see your performance right here. And if you have this notice right here, you want to fix that first. And your products, you can see it right here. And the performance, of course, you have it here in your dashboards right there, but it is currently empty. And right here, because I don't have any This is just for tutorial, and this is the graph that you can see that you can use or analyze. And here are the reports right here, and growth, you can see it also right here for the opportunities, and you can manage some programs right here. If you'd want, you can explore all of this, but we will not be including it in this video because this is going to be very long. And here in the shopping experience scorecard, you can see the verification logo right here. If you have this, then your rank in Google Shopping results will be higher, so be sure to be very good to perform very well here in Google and verify all of it, so you will have the best experience here. So thank you for watching. That's it for this video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.